Today we will understand that how the map list inbuilt function works in the Python. Okay, so what it does, it returns a list of results after applying the given function to each of a given function, and this is the syntax of map function iterable. Okay, so let's clarify this using an example. So at first I am creating a list here, suppose 1 2 3. Now I need to define a function, suppose def add. Okay, I have to pass the parameter which is suppose x. Now inside the function I will write return x plus 2. That means the function will add 2 to the parameter. Okay, now I will get out of this function, and here I will declare another variable and I will write list, inside it map, and according to the syntax I need to first write the function which is here is add, and then the iterable which is x. In our case x means this list x. Okay, now if I print the y and run the code, you can see that 2 is added to each of the element of the list x. Okay, if I change it to multiplied by 2 and run the code, you can see the results. Okay, so that's how the map list inbuilt function work in Python. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.